Alright. Okay, we're at the basketball courts. Will learned how to ride his bike without training wheels in our road. Here he comes. Woo! Keep going. Oh, sorry. Yay! We just need to work on our turning. Right, Will? Good job, buddy. There's Luke on his rollerblades. Noah busting a move on the scooter. Kendall is off of her bike currently.
I'll get on my bike.
Okay. And there's Bowman. Bo, show me how to ride. There's Lauren, our neighbor. Will, stop. Whee, Bo! Bye-bye.
Alright. Oh! No, it goes down.
Hey, Kendall.
Alright, go.
Bye-bye.
Hello!
Okay, ready? I'm going to get you. Set.
Hold
Hold on.